Okay, so this is the blizzard of 2011. Again, this is now 4:50 p.m. and I guess I'm gonna go out here and check on the chickens. So I hope I don't regret this. Okay, I'm making sure that the door isn't actually shut. Okay, so we get a snowdrift here. It's quite deep. Really over 2 feet. Oh my goodness. This is kind of crazy. Okay, this snow is about halfway up my shins. Not quite to my knees there. But this is really deep, and it's not stopping. It's still coming, and coming very rapidly. So I'm not sure what exactly is going to happen. So here are the girls, and they're doing okay, it looks like. My girls, it's okay. It's okay. All 6 chickens. I'm going to check on their water. That's probably the last time I'll come out here this evening. Unless my husband gets here and wants to come out here. Okay, so back out here, and we're getting some really strong wind gusts. I was actually dumb enough to come out here without gloves, which is really, really cold. If you can see that flower pot over there. It's actually a giant flower pot. It's almost buried. And it's at least a foot or 2 tall. So we have got some massive amounts of snow and so much blowing around. It's really whiteout conditions. My earlier footprints were just gone. I got out here. I'm gonna go back inside.